Hi, in this video tutorial, we'll be using processing and VDMX to send tweets to Twitter. To begin, open up the Syphon to tweet composition that's included for processing, and if you haven't already done it, load in the consumer keys and access tokens for your account, which you could find in the apps.twitter.com section of the website. You can also go in here and adjust the rendering resolution if you need to. And if you need to, you can use this code here to adjust which Syphon client is being used. You can also modify this here to change what the default text is when this happens. If you haven't already, you might need to go into the import library and add the OSC P5, Simple Tweet, and Syphon libraries. You do that by going to Add Library, finding them in this list, and clicking the Install button. Once you have that set up, you can hit the Run button here, and you'll see the composition running. It'll start with just a black screen, but the way that this works is if I click on it, and now I go over to Twitter and refresh the page, I'll see just that black frame getting tweeted. So we'll delete that for now. Here, we'll now go over to VDMX and make a new project. Let's load up some content to tweet. So for now, we'll just do the color bars for a test. And we'll add a Syphon output plugin and choose to output the main output. The composition will automatically grab whatever the first Syphon feed it can find is. The next thing we need to do is control this remotely. So we're going to add a control surface plugin. And we're going to add two interface controls to this. We're going to add a button, and we're going to add a text field. We'll call this Tweet Now. And what we'll do is use the UI inspector to send out OSC data. So first we'll set up this button. We'll make it not a toggle button. We'll go into the sending section. If you haven't already, you can go into the VDMX preferences, into the OSC tab, and under output ports, add a row for processing, and set it to 1.2.0.0.1, which means localhost at the same computer, and set the port to 12,000. Once you've done that, you can add a row in here, OSC, processing, and we're going to set this to tweet. Next, we'll do something similar for the text field. We'll click on this, sending, and for this, we'll want to set tweet string. String. There we go. So now, if I type in some text here like hashtag hello world, and now we hit the Tweet Now button, give it a second, and there we go. Hello world. So that's all you've got to do in order to post things to Twitter from VDMX. Thanks for watching.